Assalamu alaikum students, how are you all? Today we are going to learn about speech versus indirect speech. We can also call it direct and indirect narration. This is the most demanding topic of grammar and you must understand it very carefully. So first of all, we will learn that what is a narration. Narration is actually the act of reporting the words of speaker. So we can elaborate the words of speaker in two ways. The first one is called direct speech and the second one is called indirect speech. First of all, we will learn about what is a direct speech. When we elaborate, the actual words of speaker are quoted as it is called direct speech. Indirect speech, the exact words of speaker are enclosed in inverted commas or quotation marks. And then we learn about the difference between what is indirect speech. We can also report what a person said without repeating his exact words. This is called indirect speech. Now I would like to quote an example to elaborate what a direct speech is. When two persons meet, for example, Ali is just studying in his room and his friend came and asked that, Ali, what are you doing? And he replied that, I am studying. So the second person can elaborate that Ali said, I am studying. So we have here elaborated Ali's words exactly as he said. So this is called direct speech. Another example can be elaborated in this way, that if a friend asked the other one that which colored skirt are you wearing, and Sana said, I am wearing white skirt. This is another example of direct speech. The other friend said that Sana said, I am wearing white skirt. She has elaborated the words of Sana exactly as she reported to us. These two examples show us that we have said the exact words of that person, and that exact statement of that person is enclosed in inverted commas. So we can call it a direct speech. But when we change it into indirect speech, we will said that Ali said that he was studying. We have made some changes here while we are using indirect speech. Same is the case with the other one example. Sana said, I am wearing white skirt. This is also the example of direct speech. Sana said in this said is reporting verb, and I am wearing white skirt is reported speech which Sana is reporting. So when we change it into indirect speech, this sentence will change like this. Sana said that she was wearing white skirt. So here we can notice that some changes are made in the sentence when we are going to change the direct speech into indirect speech. So we will notice quite easily that what are that changes are. So one by one I will discuss these changes with you. So students, here are the changes you can identify quite easily, that when you are going to change the direct speech into indirect speech. The first one change is the removal of inverted commas. You can easily notice that when you have changed this into indirect speech, you have removed the inverted commas. The second one change is the change of tense. You have changed the present into past tense. So the change of tense is also the change in the indirect speech. The third one is the use of conjunction that, and the fourth one change you can notice here is the change of pronoun. So these are the changes whenever you are going to change one speech like direct speech into indirect speech. These four changes you can easily make in that sentences, and you can easily identify in that sentences. So here again I'm going to just take a review of this one, that what is the difference between the direct speech and indirect speech. And first of all, we have discussed that direct speech and indirect speech are actually the direct and indirect narrations. And what a narration is, it is act of reporting the words of speaker, and we can elaborate it in two ways: direct speech and indirect speech. What is a direct speech? The actual words of a speaker are quoted as it is, which they in which way the person is elaborated, and the exact words of the speaker are enclosed in inverted commas. And indirect narrations, we can also report what a person said without repeating his exact words. This is called indirect narrations. And we come to know about the changes which are made when we can make the direct speech into indirect speech. Four changes are over there, you can identify quite easily. The first one is removal of inverted commas, the second one is change of tense, next is use of conjunction that, and the change of pronoun. You can quite easily understand all that changes. And in this video we have just understand about what a direct speech is and what is indirect speech. In the next video we will learn about the rules and regulations, that how we can change a direct speech into indirect speech, and what are the rules to change all these to make all these changes. Okay students, I think so you can quite easily understand the difference between the two. Okay, Allah Hafiz, take care.